Hi mga anak! Kamusta na muli kayo? Welcome to our Week 2 topic for Quarter 4. What do you think this picture tells us? Okay, so very good. Bakit kaya natutunaw ang yelo? Okay, kasi mainit ang panahon, mataas ang temperatura. How about the hot air balloon? Yan, very good. So that will be our topic, Charles' law. We need to investigate the relationship between volume and temperature at constant pressure of a gas and explain the relationship using the kinetic molecular theory. Let us have this simple comic strip. How does she know I made a popcorn? I cleaned up the kitchen and that was 5 minutes ago. Yan, kanya-kanya tayo ng idea. Actually, lahat ng sagot nyo, lahat ng idea nyo, it pertains to kinetic molecular theory. Let us have this illustration. Considering that is a molecules of gas. What can you say about their movements? Okay, so very good. How about their space? Yes, malalayo sila sa isa't isa. What if the temperature increases? What will happen to average kinetic energy? According to this theory, gas has the following characteristics. 1. Gas is made up of particles that continuously move in random and straight line motion. Number 2. The spaces between these particles are so wide that the force of attraction is negligible. Thus, they diffuse easily and mix readily with other gases. Kaya kahit nalinis na yung kusina, amoy pa rin yung naiwang amoy ng popcorn. Number 3. The collision of particles to each other and to the walls of each container is perfectly elastic. And number 4, the average kinetic energy of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature, meaning when the temperature is high, particles of gas are rapidly moving or colliding to each other. Let us have your learning task 1. Identify the part of kinetic molecular theory that explains the following observation. Okay, so tingnan niya natin. Number 1. You smell the food being cooked by your mother. Pang-ilang kinetic molecular theory kaya yan? Okay, so very good. Yan yung number 2, di ba? How about party balloons? Exposed to sunlight, sumabog. Yes, very good. So that belongs to number 4, kinetic molecular theory. How about number 3? LPG tanks should be stored in cool areas. Kasi kapag yan ay nainitan, sa mainit na lugar mo ilagay ang LPG, ano ang mangyayari? Yes, sasabog yan. So, it belongs to kinetic molecular theory number 4. Okay, so very good mga anak. For this time, let us use different pictures so that we can understand more the relationship that exists between volume and temperature. So we have here Erlenmeyer flask, of course water, inside the Erlenmeyer flask, hot plate, and a balloon. Since ang ating Erlenmeyer flask ay may lamang water at nakapatong to sa hot plate, ano kaya ang pwedeng mangyari sa balloon? Okay, so lalaki ngayon yung size ng balloon, lumaki ngayon ang volume ng balloon Nag-increase ngayon ang volume ni balloon. Bakit nga? Okay, so very good. Kasi kumulo ang tubig kasi nakapatong siya sa hot plate, tumaas ang temperature sa loob ng Erlenmeyer flask. Papaano kung etong si balloon na lumaki ang volume biglang inilagay sa cold water? Ano kaya ang mangyayari ngayon sa volume ng balloon? Yan, very good. Lumiit. Bakit nga lumiit ang volume ng balloon? Kasi nagbago ang temperatura, bumaba ang temperatura. So, nakikita ngayon natin ang relationship ni volume at ni temperature. Very good. The relationship of volume and temperature was discovered by Jackie Charles. Charles' law states that at constant pressure, the volume of a confined gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. As the temperature increases, the volume will also increase. But if the temperature decreases, what will happen to volume? It will also decrease. Mathematically, we can express Charles' law. Volume is directly proportional to temperature at constant pressure. Removing the proportionality sign and change it into equal sign, we will have this equation. If the temperature and volume ratio are the same in the initial and final condition, we will have V sub 1 over T sub 1 equal to V sub 2 over T sub 2. That will be our formula for Charles' law. Let us have this simple problem. A sample of gas occupies a 500 milliliter container at 0 degrees Celsius. What will be the temperature of this gas if its particles are compressed about half of the container? Isulat muna ulit natin ang mga given, ha? V sub 1, T sub 1, P sub 2, T sub 2. Ano kaya ang ating V sub 1? Yes, very good. 500 milliliter. How sure we are? Kasi ang unit natin sa volume ay milliliter. How about our T sub 1? Yes, 0 degrees Celsius. Because of degrees Celsius, diba? Kaya lang kung natandaan natin, ang topic natin sa Boyle's Law, kapag ang unit sa temperature ay degrees Celsius, dapat siya ay i-convert sa Kelvin. Okay. So, ano ang gagawin natin para siya ay maging Kelvin ang unit? Kelvin is equal to 0 degrees Celsius plus 273 equal to 273 Kelvin. How about our V sub 2? 250 milliliter. Wala namang nakalagay sa problem natin yung 250 milliliter. Saan natin siya kinuha? Yan, kasi sabi sa problem, half of the container. So, 500 divided by 2, kaya siya naging 250 milliliter. And then, we are asking here to find the T sub 2. Now, isulat uli natin yung ating formula. V sub 1 over T sub 1 equal to V sub 2 over T sub 2. For this time, we will have cross multiplication. V sub 1 times T sub 2, V sub 2 times T sub 1. O para mas madali nating matandaan, ang kapartner ni V sub 1 ay T sub 2. At ang kapartner naman ni T sub 1 ay V sub 2. Anong hinahanap nga natin? Yes, T sub 2. So ngayon ang magiging technique natin kung sino ngayon ang kapartner ng hinahanap natin, yun ngayon ang ating magiging denominator. Sinong hinahanap natin? T sub 2. Ano ngayon ang ating denominator? V sub 1. Kasi siya yung kapartner. Ano ngayon ang magiging formula natin? Tingnan nga natin. T sub 2 equal to T sub 1 times V sub 2 over V sub 1. Substitution. T sub 2 now is equal to 273 Kelvin times 250 milliliter over 500 milliliter. 273 Kelvin times 250 milliliter divided by 500 milliliter, T sub 2 now is equal to 136.5 Kelvin. Bakit Kelvin ang unit? Una, kasi Kelvin ang unit natin para sa temperature. At the same time, kinancel na ang milliliter kasi parehas ang kanilang unit. Okay, another sample. V sub 1 over T sub 1 equal to V sub 2 over T sub 2. For this time, ang hinahanap natin ay V sub 2. Sige nga, sa inyong scratch paper, ano kaya ang ating magiging formula? V sub 2 equal to V sub 1 times T sub 2 over T sub 1. Tama inyong formula? Very good. Ganon din anak ang gagawin natin sa iba pang hinahanap. For your learning task 2, study the figure, plot the volume, pressure, and temperature on each of the graph. Connect the plotted points and interpret the relationship of the variables. Learning task 3, write an open letter addressed to all cigarette smokers, factory and smoke belching vehicle owners, informing them about their contributions to air pollution. Discuss the effects they give to other people and to our environment. Another task mga anak. Kailan kaya mas madaling ma-flat ang gulong ng mga sasakyan? During warm weather or cold weather? Explain and prove your answer. So let us have our problem solving. Number 1, under constant pressure condition, a sample of hydrogen gas initially at 85 degrees Celsius and 7.2 liter is cooled until its final volume is 4.1 liter. What is the final temperature? And number 2, determine the change in volume if 60 milliliter of gas at 33 degrees Celsius is cooled to 15 degrees Celsius. Hanggang dito na lang ulit mga anak. Muli paalala, kung meron tayong hindi naunawaan sa ating LEAP, balik-balikan natin ang video presentation na to, i-click lang natin ang link. Muli, maraming salamat.